Is your car still dirty when you put it in your old car wash? Well, then are you spending so much money from getting a toy car wash? Well, then come to Max Car Wash. Okay, it's made of 4 Tracks toys, and then it's made out of 6 pieces of papers, and then there are 2 balls. So, and you can play with these 3 cars. Okay, now watch this. First, it goes through here, and then soap comes out. And then it goes through here, and then the brushes turns on. Now just go through, and then the hose is turned on, and then it will take a shower. And then soap comes out again. Sorry, I'm having a little trouble. Okay, now just let it do here, and then stop your car here. Then just let it dry up, and then what? Your car's clean. So what are you waiting for? Come to Max Car Wash. But if you want to get your car clean, then come to my house. Call 121-798-621 to come to Max Car Wash. Now bye.